I wanted to share what comes in the UrthBox. My friend gifted this to me for my birthday. It's a subscription service. I actually got 3 of them. And this is what all came in it. You can pick the types of snacks. I think I picked the low-fat one. There's like all different options, 3 or 4 options. You get different things every time, and it's a combination. So a drink, like a dinnery food, and then mostly snacks, a breakfast. And this is I think I picked a medium box, a toothbrush because it's all natural things. I don't know if this gluten is too natural, but it's like, look how many ingredients. I would not eat that. Peanuts I don't like. My boyfriend can eat those on like a road trip. Actually, our last box we ate on a 9-hour road trip. It was perfect. These are not really keto because of the sugar of the dates, but they are still natural, so natural sugar is still okay. I like trying all the different new bars they send, and I've never gotten a repeat between the 3 boxes. They gave me multiples of these. Grain-free granola. I definitely want to try that because I would never try it on my own, but I might find something I like with this box. And I'll still eat like a small pack, you know, I'm not getting like a Costco size box. This is chocolate hazelnut, I'll eat that. I always have to check the ingredients here. Very few. Then I check the carb count. Not that carbs are bad, but I just like to see added sugar because I'm trying to stay in nutritional ketosis. These, I do get a different version every time. They're great if you have nothing to eat and you just need like a little something. I usually always get a new protein to try. This one I like, but I've never had mocha, so I'll try plant-based protein and then more of like a dinnery thing, or actually it's like a superfood. What am I saying? But you wouldn't have this as a snack. You would put it in a shake for vitamins. This is great for keto, high sodium, but great for if you're like hiking and just need something. This I will research. I'm very strict on my electrolytes. I usually drink the hydrate ones only, never Gatorade. And I'll look into this. This is the other thing I like, is you get coupons. So like if I want to order this drink, which I actually might, I have to look into where it was made and the quality of the ingredients, but it looks like they have a day and night drink. And they give a discount code. So the coupons don't hurt. This is for the toothbrush. I'm good, I use the Quip, but it's good for like a vacation. So there is UrthBox. I will leave my link below. You probably will get a discount if you use my link. And again, you have the choice. You can pick a more snack type, but I picked like the low carby one. All right, thanks.